Activate the electric parking brake by pressing the lever next to the steering wheel. A red symbol comes on in the instrument cluster. Pulling releases the brake. New to the SLK is the brake pad change mode. Simultaneously press the Accept phone and the OK button on the multifunction steering wheel. The ignition must be in position 1. Then you'll find the brake pad change mode in the menu of the instrument cluster. Activate it by pressing OK. Then you'll hear something happening. You'll see just what when we remove the rear wheel. As soon as the brake pad change mode is activated, an electric motor moves the actuators on the brake caliper. This releases the brake pads. Here you can see clearly there's lots of play. Now you can work on the braking system. When you leave this mode, the actuators bring the brake pads back into the proper position. A feature that makes your job in the workshop easier.